The costs of digital forms of money are driven by many elements, including media publicity, reception rate, legitimate, criminal operations, and organic market. This large number of elements make leading a specialist examination of digital money vital in the present market. BRISE is another task in the digital currency world that has acquired notoriety in light of turning into a top player in the industry potential. In this video, you'll learn everything about the leap forward of the year. We'll cover the BITGERT task subtleties, track down the responses to the most well-known questions, and notice some BRISE cost expectations. What is BITGERT BRISE? This year, BITGERT is among the most thrilling digital money projects. BITGERT is based on the Binance blockchain. It promotes itself as a marking stage in a decentralized trade. In spring 2022, the BRISE wallet was coordinated into the BITGERT chain, empowering clients to send, get, purchase, and sell 20 Cruzado tokens. BITGERT sent off its hotly anticipated blockchain in February 2022. The block season of Brise chain, a proof of authority agreement framework, is 15 seconds. POA blockchains are believed to be truly adaptable, yet it doesn't diminish analysis over them for being profoundly incorporated. The BITGERT network was advertised as the first blockchain convention with zero exchange charges. However, it has not completely followed through on its commitments, causing debates in the crypto space. Is BRISE a wise speculation? Does BITGERT have a future? A few examiners are sure about the progress of the BRISE token. Truth be told, some of them even foresee BITGERT's 200% typical cost increment toward the finish of 2022. In any case, once more, we should bear in mind here the conceivable association between the creators of the scientific report and the task's makers. We ought to likewise not disregard the risky regions that we have previously referenced. Financial backers need to painstakingly gauge these elements prior to choosing whether to put resources into the BRISE stock. There's no simple response, and there's no assurance that BRISE will be an effective interest over the long haul. In any case, for financial backers who will face some gamble, challenges might offer a chance to benefit in the event that the organization can make something happen from here on out. None of the substance on, including BRISE cost expectations, is venture counsel, nor is it a substitution of guidance from a guaranteed monetary organizer. Prior to choosing to purchase BITGERT, we prescribe you to do your own exploration. BITGERT value investigation. As indicated by the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of BITGERT is $0, and BRISE is buy and buy position no. 228 in the whole crypto environment. The flow supply of BITGERT is 395-688-215-721-653 BRISE, with a market cap of $126,967,723.81. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has expanded by $0 its ongoing worth. Throughout the previous 7 days, BRISE has been in a decent vertical pattern, in this way expanding by 3.78%. BITGERT has shown areas of strength for extremely recently, and this could be a decent chance to dive right in and contribute. Inside the last month, the cost of BRISE has diminished by 15.47%, killing an incredible normal amount of $0 its ongoing worth. This unexpected drop implies that the coin is in a plunge at the present time, so it very well may be a decent purchasing, a potential open door for speedy speculation. BITGERT value expectation 2023. As per the specialized examination of BITGERT costs expected in 2022, the base expense of BITGERT will be $0. The greatest level that the BRISE cost can reach is $0. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $0. BRISE value figure for January 2023. In light of the value changes of BITGERT toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical BRISE pace of $0 January 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $0 individually. February 2023, BITGERT value conjecture. Digital money specialists are prepared to report their figure for the BRISE cost in February 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $0, while the most extreme could reach $0 this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of BITGERT may be around $0. BRISE value figure for WALC 2023. Crypto experts have really looked at the value vacillations of BITGERT in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal BRISE rate they foresee may be around $0 WALC 2023. It can drop to $0 a base. The greatest worth may be $0. April 2023, BITGERT value figure. Around mid-year 2022, the BRISE cost will be exchanged at $0. April 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the BITGERT worth to $0. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $0 April 2023. BRISE value figure for May 2023. Crypto specialists have broke down BITGERT costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to May 2023 $0. The most reduced and top BRISE rates may be $0, $0. June 2023, BITGERT value conjecture. Crypto experts expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the BRISE cost will be around $0. In June 2023, the BITGERT cost might drop to at least $0. The normal pinnacle worth may be $0. June 2023. The RISE value conjecture for July 2023. Having broke down BITGERT costs, digital money specialists expect that the BRISE rate could arrive at a limit of $0 July 2023. It may, notwithstanding, drop to $0. For July 2023, the estimated normal of BITGERT is almost $0. August 2023, BITGERT value estimate. Around mid-2022, the BITGERT cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $0. Crypto examiners expect that in August 2023, the BRISE cost could vary somewhere in the range of $0, $0. The RISE value conjecture for September 2023. Market specialists expect that in September 2023, the BITGERT worth won't dip under at least $0. The most extreme pinnacle expected for the current month is $0. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of $0. October 2023, BITGERT value gauge. Digital currency specialists have painstakingly dissected the scope of BRISE costs all through 2022. For October 2023, their gauge is the accompanying. The most extreme exchanging worth of BITGERT will be around $0, with a chance of dropping to at least $0. In October 2023, the normal expense will be $0. The RISE value conjecture for November 2023. In light of the value vacillations of BITGERT toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical BRISE pace of $0 November 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $0 separately. December 2023, BITGERT value estimate. Cryptographic money specialists are prepared to declare their conjecture for the BRISE cost in December 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $0, while the most extreme could reach $0 this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of BITGERT may be around $0. BITGERT value expectation 2024. After the examination of the costs of BITGERT in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of BITGERT will be around $0. The greatest expected BRISE cost might be around $0. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $0 2023. BITGERT value forecast 2025. In view of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of BITGERT, in 2024, BRISE is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about $0, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $0. BITGERT value expectation 2026. The specialists in the field of digital currency have dissected the costs of BITGERT and their variances during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2025, the base BRISE cost could drop to $0, while its greatest can reach $0.